he thought it was just another easy arrest. A black woman driving through a quiet neighborhood caught his attention, and without checking the facts, he turned on his siren and pulled her over. "Step out of the vehicle!" The officer barked, his tone sharp. His eyes filled with suspicion, and the woman, calm but slightly shocked, obeyed. "What's the problem, officer?" she asked politely, and his reply was quick and cold. "This car is reported stolen." His words carried arrogance, as if her voice didn't matter. But the woman raised her brows because she knew this wasn't about a car. It was about assumptions. And still, she stayed composed. The officer didn't ask questions. He didn't check records. He simply assumed guilt because of who she was, not what she did. With steady hands, the woman opened her purse, pulled out a leather wallet, and flipped it open. The officer's confident smirk froze as inside. The wallet was a shining badge and a government-issued ID. The name read Judge Angela Carter, State Supreme Court. For a moment, silence wrapped around them. The arrogant tone in his voice disappeared. Replaced by disbelief, his face turned pale, and he stammered, "You're a judge?" "Yes," she replied firmly, her eyes locking onto his. "And I know the law better than you ever will." His authority crumbled on the spot. He had accused the wrong person, and worse, he had exposed his own bias. Word of the incident spread fast. Within days, complaints surfaced. Investigations opened, and his badge was taken away. The same arrogance that once made him feel powerful now ended his career. And as Judge Carter walked away, her silence was louder than any argument. But the final twist came weeks later in a courtroom, when the very same officer, now stripped of his rank, stood in front of Judge Carter as a defendant facing charges of misconduct, his head lowered, no longer in control, and her voice calm but commanding as she declared, "Justice does not forget." His downfall was complete, a reminder to all that truth always finds a way. Respect is not optional when you judge by skin instead of truth. You don't just risk your job, you risk your humanity. If you want to hear more powerful stories like this, make sure to like this video, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more emotional and eye-opening tales.